Good day, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. We are on November 12th, 2018. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. In this video, I want to talk about carbon dioxide emissions and also sulfur oxide emissions. Looking at the windy map here, I'm really wondering if there's a correlation between the fires in British Columbia, the fires in California, and also the dormant volcanoes that we have littered all over the British Columbia Rocky Mountains, as well as the United States. So this is the coming few days for carbon emissions over an area of British Columbia where they're experiencing some fires. There's about 8 wildfires still raging in British Columbia, parts of Burn Lake, in northern British Columbia. But now I'm going to show you here is the map of the sulfur oxide that is in the same area, the British Columbia and Alberta. So there's a couple forest fires in Alberta, but there's 8 forest fires in British Columbia. Now just watch the way it's picking up this sulfur in our atmosphere. You can see the fires in northern Alberta, but that is a vast amount of carbon emissions, heat, and sulfur. Just watch this in motion. The fires in California, they're emitting a little bit of the sulfur as well. Thoughts and prayers going out to everybody being affected by those fires in California. It's devastating. Over 100, possibly 200 people still missing. Death toll is rising. So thoughts and prayers going to everybody being affected by those fires in California. But I think we have a bigger situation here. Correlation between dormant volcanoes and the fires in the Rockies. Look at all these dormant volcanoes. Now I wanted to search to see if there were any volcanoes around in the area where those fires are. And sure enough, there's 4 dormant volcanoes just in this area. That's not to mention the Three Sisters Peaks are reported to be an old volcano, which is not far from Calgary, Alberta. Just wanted to show you there. This is all the volcanoes from around the world. All the green are dormant. Red are erupting. Also wanted to share today the incoming space weather, as our solar wind speed has gone over. It peaked over 641 kilometers per second, but now it's steady at 600 kilometers per second. So we will be expecting some northern lights here in Canada, and pretty clear nights too. So if everybody wants to get out and see some possible northern lights in Alberta, tonight's the night, and tomorrow night, as the conditions are drastically changing as well, increasing. So something I wanted to show you here, just watch the way the aurora goes around our North Pole. It doesn't even seem to be in the right place. Not to mention, there seems to be a wobble. You see that? So yeah, the aurora is it's giving us an idea as to how our North Pole is reacting right now and where it is. And you can see there's a wobble. Not as much in the southern hemisphere in Antarctica, but there is a wobble in the north. Just wanted to point that out. So here, this is a look at the magnetospheric wind map, creating a movie for us. This was during the 6.3 that hit the Atlantic Ocean. The solar wind stream drastically increased. You can see the tails. We almost have 2 tails right now, 4 tails, with our magnetosphere. This is the density. Sorry, pressure. That's right, this is the pressure on Earth. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys today. Thanks for watching. This has been Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. Stay aware and prepared, stay young and have fun. Get your morning dew. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.
Thank you.